Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So now we will start our new topic, that is addition of vector by rectangular component. First of all, we will make vector, then we will know with the explanation, then according to steps we will make a diagram of that addition of vector by rectangular component. Here was x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so here is our origin, that is O. After that he said that represented line by OB and OC, so we make one line that represented by OB and second line that is OB and OC. Okay, these both are line. After that it says that uh, it's making a theta 1 and theta 2, so we are making here theta 1 and theta 2 along x-axis, so it's on the along x-axis. After that vector a1 and a2 with magnitude a1 and a2, so we will write over here b as a1 is equal to magnitude a1 and second one a2 is equal to with magnitude a2. Okay, so this is the addition of vector by rectangular component, that we have add the two vectors over here and we will get the next vector or next resultant. So let's move to the steps over here. Okay, so in steps is say that the draw a perpendicular from terminal point of vector A. First of all, what we will do, that we have make the two vectors over there, so we will again make the same vectors over here, x-axis, here y-axis, here this is the origin point. Okay, now what we'll do, as we are having one angle, just wait. This is our first one. Here we will use a one rule, that is head to tail rule, that in Urdu we said that के पहले के सर पे दूसरे की दुम, or we can say that दूसरे की दुम पहले के सर पे, and in English we say that the vector A lies on the head, or vector B tail lies on the head of vector A. So this is the vector B we are having. Just write me here OB, as I told you. Now we will make a OC from the here. So let's make me OC. Now you can see that OC is generated automatically on the first head and second tail. After you can say that this is a OC. Sorry, this is a OC. Okay, now what we have to do, that over here, now we have to draw all the things. Okay, likewise it says that draw a perpendicular from terminal point of vector A. Okay, so this is, we are having vector A1 and this is vector A2. Okay, now by this one method we get the resultant. I am making the resultant now. Now this position is matched to each other and we got the resultant, that we are having A. Resultant we are having A. Okay, now let's move further over here, that now it says that draw a perpendicular from terminal point of vector A. So where is the terminal point? This is the terminal point of vector A. So what we will do, that we will just make a line over here. Okay, to perpendicular along x-axis. Now it says that there are two component, a1x and a1y. So a1x is our base and a1y is our perpendicular. Just let me know first, wait, just wait for it. A1x and here a1y. Okay, now let's move further with it. After that, it's in equation it says that a1x is equal to cos theta and a1y is equal to sin theta, as we have done in our previous lecture. We also proved the x component and y component. Then whatever the thing is on x component, it will be cos theta, and on y axis it will be sin theta. After that, it says the tail of vector b, wait, tail of vector b lies on a head of vector a and resultant is obtained. Same thing I have done earlier, that the tail of vector b means the tail of this one. This is our vector b, this one a o b to c line. Okay, this one lies on the head of vector a and resultant is obtained. As I told you, this was our resultant that we already obtained. And then we are having a is equal to, just wait, what happening, ax plus ay. Okay, and we obtained this one. Now move to the fourth point. It says that draw a perpendicular from terminal point of vector b. So where is the terminal point of vector b? Let me erase this all the things. Okay, now we should move again, that this is we are having vector a, then this is we are having vector b, then these both combine together and give us a resultant. After that, it says to us that after this is a vector a, from here we have made one line. Now it says that draw up the perpendicular from terminal point of vector b. So this is a vector b to us, vector b, but for its support we will make one more line, that is a base. मीन्स कि ये वाली जो हमारे पास बेस है, इसको हम ऊपर उठा के ले गए थोड़ा, ताकि हमारे पास एक ट्राइंगल बन जाए और बेस ऊपर वाले की बन जाए. जैसे हम कोई मतलब घर बनाते हैं तो ऊपर वाले की छत अलग डालते हैं, इसी तरीके से हमने इसकी सपोर्ट के लिए ऊपर इसको बेस अलग दे दी है. ओके, आफ्टर दैट इट सेज दैट ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम टर्मिनल पॉइंट ऑफ वेक्टर बी. So we have made just wait, yeah, we have made a line of vector b from terminal point. This is the terminal point, ending point of vector b. So from here we made a perpendicular over here. Okay, now what we will do, that as they said that draw a perpendicular from terminal point of vector a, that two component obtain a1x and a1y. So first of all, now we should write the a1x and a1y. Like this is we are having a1x and this is called a1 and y. Okay, this is called a1y. Now after that, here was written that two perpendicular two components. Just let me erase this one. Here is written that two component a2x and a2y. So this is we are having a2x, this one position should write over here a2x, and this is called a2y. Now what we will do, that we will take out this one a1x. Just let me know, wait. Like we will take this one a1x outside on this one support, like over here. Okay, and this one a2x over here on this one line. So it means that a2x come over here and a1y comes over here. So a1y and a2y is in perpendicular, and a1x and a2x is its basis. So we, as we said, that a1x is equal to cos theta and a1y is sin theta. So same over here, a2x is equal to cos theta and a2y is equal to sin theta. After that, Last thing we are having here is written that the resultant vector along x-axis ax is equal to a1x plus a2x. As I made the line over here, we are having two a1x and a2x. Okay, I put I over here because in resultant vector we have a particular we want a particular unit, so that's why we put over here. After in along y-axis I made like this one line. Here was a1y and a2y. It's also along y-axis. Okay, after when we add that one we got ay, when we add this one we got ax, and the magnitude is also same. We can take out the magnitude from here, like its magnitude a1x. As I told you, x is equal to cos theta, so a1 cos theta 1, a2 cos theta 2, and a1y plus a2y. As I told, that y component have a sin theta, so we have put over here along y-axis magnitude will be a1 sin theta 1 and a2 sin theta 2. Hope you understand today's lecture. Thank you so much for listening.